So the next stop on the Mavericks Christmas Greetings Tour is with the Jamaica Track and Field family, as we say greetings to the friends of our most successful international sport, which has brought us so much joy and pride over the years. Special season's greetings to the administrators. I don't always agree with the way you do things, but for the most part, you keep the athletics ship afloat. Special mention must be made of the coaches who continue to discover and nurture the young talent. As for the athletes, keep doing what you're doing in flying the Jamaican flag high, especially the women. Our special wish for the new year will be for a miracle to unfold and some new male sprinters to drop from the sky. With the Olympics coming up in Tokyo next year, there will be lots of pressure on the women to deliver again because the men them continue to struggle. The most we can do is to hope that the male sprint talent will fall like manna in heaven. Extra special season greetings must go out to the field events family, the throwers and the jumpers who continue to make up the sprint deficit. The Maverick wish more blessings on the entire athletics fraternity. Keep the standards high. Have a blessed Christmas and an even more blessed 2020. Wish you continued success. Plenty.